Master AUTEL MaxiSys Ultra and EVDiag Box binding in minutes. Hi everyone, this is Hussain and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for everything about automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and all the tech-savvy tricks that make your workshop life easier. Quick heads up before we dive in. This video is purely educational and informational. Everything I show here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and car enthusiasts, following fair use rules. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, so always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Now, I've got a quick question for you. Have you ever struggled with connecting your Autel MaxiSys Ultra or Ultra S2 to an EVDiag box? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it without any headaches. And while you're here, let's set a fun challenge. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in just 24 hours. Go ahead and hype this video in the comments to help us climb up the YouTube leaderboard. It's fun, free, and super effective. And if you find this content helpful, showing some love through super thanks is always appreciated. All right, let's get straight into it. When you're performing high-voltage system diagnosis, running battery pack offline testing, doing component testing, or checking the SOH, state of health, of a battery pack with auto tools like the MS909, MS919, Ultra, or Ultra S2, it's essential to connect and properly bind your AUTEL EVDiag box. This step ensures that your diagnostic scanner communicates correctly with the battery system and provides accurate readings. So how we do it? It's simpler than it sounds. First, navigate through your MaxiSys scanner. Go to MaxiSys Settings, EVDiag Box Settings. This menu is where all the magic happens. Step 1. Physically connect your AUTEL EVDiag box along with all required adapters to your supported AUTEL diagnostic scanner. Make sure the connections are firm. Loose cables can cause the binding process to fail. Step 2. Once connected, the scanner will prompt you to read the serial number of the EVDiag box. This is a unique code that identifies your box to the scanner. Carefully read and link this serial number to your device. Once these steps are completed, congratulations! Your AUTEL EVDiag box is now successfully bound to your AUTEL MaxiSys device. From this point on, you can perform accurate battery diagnostics, check battery health, and even troubleshoot components with full confidence. Binding your EVDiag box may seem like a small step, but it's crucial. Without this connection, your scanner might show errors, fail to read the battery system correctly, or even provide incomplete diagnostics. By completing this process, you ensure smooth, reliable, and professional-grade results every time. Thanks for sticking around until the end of this guide. A huge shout-out to all my loyal viewers and subscribers. You're the reason Baabji Motors keeps growing. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. It's completely free, and hitting that subscribe button helps us tremendously. Remember our challenge: 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. Drop your thoughts, questions, or just hype this video in the comments. Every single interaction helps us climb the leaderboard. And here's a quick fun tip for you before we go. Did you know that some technicians even use the EVDiag box for advanced logging during long battery cycle tests? It's a little-known trick that can save hours of trial and error. So, to wrap up, yes, binding the AUTEL MaxiSys Ultra or Ultra S2 with the EVDiag box is straightforward once you follow the right steps. My personal take? This small step is a game-changer for anyone serious about battery diagnostics and EV work. It makes your workflow smooth, professional, and error-free. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype this video one more time before you leave. Let's hit those 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments together. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.